Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. I want to show you how some improper construction led to squirrels getting in. So let me show you. Here's a squirrel entry point. You can see where they chewed that nice and open. They got a bunch of smear and smudge marks there from them crawling in and out. Look at the gutter, it's extra dirty right here from their paw prints. If we look in the gutter, it's slightly cleaner here, dirtier here, dirtier here. That's because they're crossing in and out right here. Now, I've already caught one squirrel down in that trap. Got 4 other traps going. Let me show you the improper construction. This is rotting wood. There's more rotting wood. If you look, this is fascia trim here. This is the same fascia trim as down here. The roof's drip edge is here. Here's the bottom of the drip edge. You notice the bottom of the drip edge sits behind this. So I can put my finger behind here, but not behind here. So how is this improper construction? Well, this should be behind the drip edge. So when it rains, the water comes down, goes around this drip edge, and drips onto the fascia board back here. Somebody decided to take a shortcut, and instead of replacing the old fascia trim, which is back here, they slapped a new fascia board and fascia trim on top of the old stuff, which sits behind the drip, or sits in front of the drip edge, so all the water is getting back here and just completely rotting it out. I can just reach in here and pull out chunks of wood. See, I'm just pulling out chunks of wood because it's disintegrated. And over time, right here in the middle, it's disintegrated to the point where it created a nice big gap. The squirrels got in. Now it looked like somebody tried to put some drip edge here the right way, but they didn't do it down here. So I don't get that. If this had been continued all the way down, we wouldn't have a problem with rotten wood. Okay, here you can see some of the wood sticking up. This section is not rotten, but it's rotting here. I mean, that's just terrible. And if it weren't for that terrible work, I wouldn't be here.